My name is Nina Barra and I'm the materials leader here at Sonardyne.
My name is Jack Bird and my job title is Assistant Project Manager.
I've worked at Sonardyne for 8 years now, unbelievably. And the favourite part has probably been the career progression I've seen since my time here, and also dealing with the recent material challenges has been interesting, although very challenging.
I've worked with Sonardyne for about 5 months now. My favourite part working here is just the sheer options that I have available. So one of the things we did is I got a trip down to Plymouth where I could see the units in the water, working live, working through the software, understanding that, and that really helps me as a project manager because I can actually understand what I'm trying to sort of build for my customer, what kit, they might need external from any requirements that they've sort of suggested. So that's always really good.
The benefits that Sonardyne offer that work best for me has definitely got to be the CIPS studying. So CIPS stands for Chartered Institute of Purchasing and Supply, and Sonardyne have actually sponsored me to study for the course and progress and develop myself, and that's very important to me.
The benefits that work best for me that Sonardyne is able to provide is the range of areas that I can sort of apply my skills. So just being an assistant project manager doesn't mean that I do just assistant project manager stuff. I'm able to sort of apply myself in a lot of different areas that I might not know that I had skills in or I had skills in, and that sort of openness to try new things is really good for me because I'm able to pick up so much more new information I probably wouldn't get in other jobs.
My name is Ollie Mail and I'm a junior manufacturing test engineer.
I'm Dan Tesla. I'm the technical sales manager for U.S. Maritime Defense at Sonardyne Inc.
So a day at Sonardyne usually consists of quite a lot of bench testing and then followed by tank testing as well. So that's down at my desk and also up in the tanks. I've done a level 3 in engineering. And now I'm doing my level 4, so HNC in electronic engineering, and possibly move on to a HND or even a foundation degree. I think the flexi hours are very beneficial to me because it allows me to keep a good work-life balance with my friends.
The one word I'd use to describe Sonardyne is family. It's still a family-owned business. I came from a very large business prior to this, and really you can have a big impact in Sonardyne from day one. Some of the benefits that I really enjoy at Sonardyne coming from America is the five weeks holiday. The standard's like maybe a week, like to start off with, and then maybe build up to 2 or 3 at max.
I think summing up Sonardyne in one word would be difficult. So the first couple that jump to mind would be innovation. Sonardyne are constantly looking to evolve themselves into new markets. Another one would probably be quality. Everything made in-house and seeing the quality department and how vigorous everything is very impressive to me. And thirdly, opportunity.
I've been at Sonardyne now for 15 years, going on 16 in March. Probably my favorite part at Sonardyne is just the people and the different relationships, friendships I've built over the years.
My name is Andrea Moura and I'm Head of Sales for South America.
Daniel Sanham. I'm currently working as a Senior Systems and Sensors Engineer at Sonardyne.
I work from home, I work from the office, I go to industry events, I participate in meetings. It's a mix of activities really.
And we're always assessing what comes out in the market, the latest sensor technology, so that we can drive improvements within Sonardyne.
I work for Sonardyne for 14 years. Actually, I'm completing 14 years this week. 2 aspects that stand out for me for working for Sonardyne. One is the family feeling. It's like a worldwide family feeling. And the second is being able to work with cutting-edge technology.
I've been working here since January. It's flown over, to be honest, but the most enjoyable part of working here actually is the team. Sort of the people that are here make coming to work a really enjoyable experience. There's a lot of benefits of working with Sonardyne. The cycle to work scheme's the one that I make most use of, but they've also got an electric car scheme.
My name is Helena Dixon and I am a stores person.
My name is Jamie, I'm on the hire and repair administrator.
Usually in stores it's a lot to do. We doing picking, we adjusting the stock, I learn a lot of things because I'm on the training, and usually it's very busy environment.
I like the diversity of my job. There's so many different aspects I have to do. It's not just stuck doing one job, one process. There's so many different processes and procedures you have to do. It just keeps it varied and very interesting.
My journey to get here with Sonardyne is quite an interesting one. So I worked in F1 for 5 years as a development engineer, and there's one particular sensor on that car that was sort of a black box for me, and that was actually an inertial navigation system. And I didn't understand the very fundamentals of how it worked, and that sort of has always been niggling at the back of my brain. And then I saw this job come up, and the main title of it was inertial navigation. And I was like, you know what, I can learn there, and I can learn what this black box does. That's a really sort of engaging, challenging job for me to work on, and there's many more like it at Sonardyne.
One word I would use to describe Sonardyne would definitely be family. The reason being because I do feel like I'm part of the Sonardyne family and not just a number.
The company is brilliant from how they look after people, what they're doing, what they're making. So it's very interesting.
I like the way we work towards the customer's problems, how to create solutions to their problems.
During the hiring process, I already had a feeling of professionalism. After being approved and starting to work, a feeling of welcome, and then a feeling of belonging right after that.
So the one word I'd use to describe Sonardyne is friendly. The people here are amazing. Because it's my first proper job, it's really good to sort of be let loose and really get with the community.
There's just a real togetherness at Sonardyne. We're always pushing forward, always innovating, trying to push things to the cutting edge.
Every day is a challenge, no 2 days are the same, and that's what really excites me about the role.